Okay, I'll be doing many more videos on how to repair appliances. So subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the videos. And comment good or bad. Also, if I use a part to repair the appliances, I'll put a link in the description so you can buy from this channel. Let's get started. For safety reasons, you're going to remove the power cord. And you're going to want to turn off the gas line. This project, I'll be replacing the thermal fuse on a Maytag Atlantis gas dryer. Tools needed is a 5/16 socket or a nut driver and a Phillips screwdriver. Also a 1/4-inch nut driver or socket. Okay, first thing we want to do is remove the door. And that's 2 Phillips screws to remove. That's 1 and 2. Now remove the door and remove 2 Phillips screws on the other side. 1 and 2. 2 plastic washers are missing from here. Now kind of twist the top of that panel off and remove it. Okay, here's the thermal fuse. That's a 1/4-inch nut that needs to be removed. Pull both wires off the thermal fuse. With a 1/4-inch driver, unscrew the 1/4-inch nut that mounts the thermal fuse to the housing. And remove the thermal fuse. Okay, we're going to reinstall the thermal fuse. Just put it in a slot. Okay, you're going to want to start the 1/4-inch screw off with your hand just to get it going, and then get the 1/4-inch drive and tighten it up. And replace the 2 wires back to the thermal fuse. And now your thermal fuse is intact. Okay, now we're going to slide the front panel in the slots at the bottom. And you're going to tuck each side in. Have to twist it a little bit. There's a little wire on the sides to sort of slide it. And screw the left side in. With the door, you want to put the hinges in first. Once the hinges are in, line up the holes to screw the Phillips head screws in. Okay, it's complete and ready to go. We'll have many more videos on how to repair appliances. Remember to like, share, and comment on YouTube as well as Facebook. Follow and comment. That's Appliance Flipper. Appliance Flipper Facebook and Appliance Flipper to YouTube. Have a good one.